So let's kick off the lab component from the prompt engineering section. We have three lab guides for you to explore. The first two of these have already been covered in the demos in the previous lectures. We'll explore the tasks in lab guide 3 in this particular lecture. You can access the lab guides from the Miro board or from the link in the description. So we have the third lab guide, prompt engineering briefs. We have the link here. You open up the link. It's a PDF file that opens up here. So here we have 15 briefs for you that you can work on. You can just work on one of the briefs and you will get the idea of the iterative process of generating images using stable diffusion. Handily, we have a few settings over here that you can use, and we also have the negative prompt that you can use for your generation. So use the iterative approach that we covered in previous lectures and select one of the briefs that you find interesting and start creating your prompts iteratively.